Hello again, everyone. I'm here with a quick unboxing of a Chic Sparrow item, and this, which you will see what it is when I open it up. I have not looked at it yet, so I'm really kind of excited about this one in particular. So this one, I already took out the envelope and looked through it because this is a Duchess, and I wanted to know if I had gotten one of the ones with the darker edges, and apparently I have. So I didn't go through taking the envelope out and everything, but I did get another one of these super cute stickers. I love these stickers, so I'm happy to have one more. So I'm going to put this to the side. I'll go ahead and open this one. I think I can just slide that right out. Yeah. And let's see. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so this is a passport. I was sort of on the fence about what color to get, or what size to get, because I didn't know if I would like this lighter color in a bigger TN. So I decided to go ahead and get the passport size just to kind of test it out. So it is beautiful. The darker edges, yeah, I don't know how I feel about the darker edges. The edges on mine seem very dark. I think if I were to have my preference, I probably would not want the darker edges, but I don't know. I mean, they did end up giving us a coupon code for the fact that this does not match their vision of what the notebook should look like. Yeah, I really don't know. And I think I heard also that they didn't have any more leather to make more, so they wanted to go ahead and get these out to people. I think I'm gonna sit on it for a little while and see how I feel about it. I love the color. The color itself is really, really beautiful. Mine in particular has these really beautiful veins here, which I love variation in leather. It's really awesome. So let me pull that through a little bit so it's not taking up so much visual space. And after I've kind of figured out whether or not I want to keep this one, I'll probably leave these white elastics here, but I don't want to say I hate white elastics, but it's kind of true. I don't really like white elastics. So I will probably change these out if I end up keeping it, but I have to kind of think about it. And I'm wondering if I should reorder when they get it back in. But there is variation in leather batches and all of that. And this particular one, the leather itself is beautiful. And I kind of wonder if this will wear off with use. It's really noticeable to me around the pen loop, because like this part is exposed. If I just had it like this, I mean, I wouldn't necessarily notice it, but you know, it is what it is. I don't know what else to say about that. The leather itself is beautiful and it's really soft. I really like it, like the feel of it. It's not as suede-y as the Alice is. This is in the same collection, the Carroll collection, as the Alice. I'm not quite sure. I think the Alice was one of the ones that came from a different distributor or a different company, so that might explain it. But this one has a really nice feel. It doesn't seem as floppy either, although it is a smaller size, so it's kind of hard to tell. This I might actually want to get in a larger size when they're back in, because I thought it was going to be a little too light for my taste, but it's actually a beautiful color. So that was kind of a mixed review. Really, I think it's beautiful. I'm just not sold on this darker edge. It's very distracting to me, so I'm not really sure whether or not I'm going to keep that one. So, but we'll see. I do like the color. All right, so this one, this is from a company called Hide and Drink. It's a leather product company. I've purchased just raw leather from them before, but I didn't know that they sold leather items. So that is what this is. It comes in this little package. And this is a pen case that is like a little shark. I don't know what possessed me to get this, but I think it's super cute. Oh no, okay, sorry. That's the kind of stuff I would do if my nephew were around. So you're the placeholder for now. But this is super cute. It may be a little impractical because it's narrow down here on the bottom and thicker up here on the top. Let's see. It definitely seems to be the right height for pens. I probably actually could put quite a few in there. So so yeah, I'll probably load that up with pens and then show you guys later. But it's really cute. It was sold out on Amazon for a while and then it came back in stock. So that's when I bought it. But I think it's super cute. It was actually really inexpensive. So I, for a novelty, I thought I would splurge on it, but it's cute. All right, so I think that's it for today. And it came in this nice little bag. I might end up, oh, and it has a little card too. Looks like it's made in Guatemala. Oh, that's really cute. I'll definitely keep that for collage or whatever. So there we go. There's the little shark pen case and the, oh, that's kind of a nice contrast actually from between the black pen case and the pink TN. This is the Duchess. Pink and black are actually one of my favorite color combinations, so it actually goes pretty well. But that's it for today. I just wanted to be quick in and out while I had time to show you that. All right, thanks so much. See you later. Bye.